Good morning, girls and gals. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor, and today's video is going to be a Animal Crossing play with me. I don't have anything really in particular to do today. My last Animal Crossing video was a villager hunt with me. I don't have anything like that to do, but I do just have some work to do around the island. So that is what we're gonna do. Just relax, play some Animal Crossing, just have some fun. So yeah, hoping to make this kind of a weekly thing maybe, just because I hope to upload this on Sunday. So every single weekend, video games are very nice for me. They were kind of my equivalent of Saturday, Sunday morning cartoons. So yeah. It's just such a great way to start the weekend, and it brings me joy. So it's May? No, it's not. It's April 29th. Okay. I really got confused about the time there for a minute and thought that I skipped over a couple of days. So maybe we could do that today. Maybe not. I don't know if I'm in the mood to play that at the moment. Because I think, isn't that just a maze? Let's see what we gotta do today. Sell fruit, change my outfit, hit rocks, capture a memory, visit the roost. All things that we can do. Yeah, so my island, definitely a work in progress. I restarted at the beginning of this year. Now I'm looking for the DIY recipe, but I don't see it on this beach, so we're just gonna collect some fruit. I have the basic ideas for my entire island kind of planned out. Not the entire island, but definitely a lot of different spaces I have planned out in my head. But nothing's set in stone, so everything's just kind of thrown around, just like for reminders of myself, of kind of what I want in that space in the future. So it looks chaotic now, but it'll look really good someday. So that's part of the fun of Animal Crossing, though, is that there's just always something to do. Sell some fruit first. Just kidding, we're gonna pick that weed first because that's just not acceptable. Whoa. All of those recipes I already know. That's why they're being sold. Ooh, that's cute. But I bet it'd be even cuter if I go redesign it at Harv's Island. That's a really nice thing, I will say. about restarting when all of the updates have come out is that I can start from the very beginning and kind of have all of these things be able to be customized. Alrighty. One day I'm going to get to decorating my house. I don't know. I'm definitely a person where I feel like I need everything for the specific room before I decorate it. So my house is a hot mess. There's nothing in it at all. Let's go change. I do really like this cowgirl moment, but yeah, probably need to get changed so I can get some Nook miles. Although I can just take that off and add another accessory. And that's a changed outfit, friends. Alrighty. You know what? We're gonna go collect some offerings for our villagers because I don't think I've given them gifts in a while, and that needs to happen. So we're gonna get some pumpkins. We're gonna gift those out. I'm not gonna touch those though. Those look really nice. We'll take some pears too, and that should be good enough. Maybe we'll move a house today if we're feeling it. So and maybe, appraise some of these fossils because I have a lot. I need to also get rid of these Easter things at some point, but that's a task for another day. I'm waiting. They're still kind of springy, I feel like, so maybe we'll wait until closer to the summer to do that, because it's still very much a spring vibe. Dr. Meringue, one of my faves. It's true. Yeah, this is just my temporary holding place for all of my villagers until I decide where I want to put their houses. So, yeah. It's a little bit cramped, but that's okay. Oh, nice. He's not in his house. Listen, Eloise, she's a sweetheart. She's not someone who's going to stay around long term. So. I don't need a dish drying rack, so that's going to be something that we need to... There we go. Sasha, I'm going to keep him around for a while because he is very cute. I don't need a fishing vest either, so yeah, we'll be selling those and getting money from Mr. Nook, but Sorry to interrupt you. I just need to give you something. Here's a gift, Pietro. Pietro's staying. I love Pietro. Yeah. Do you like Pietro? I feel like he's a very much a love or hate character, but I just love this goofy little clown. I don't need that either. They're not really giving me great stuff today, but that's okay. Okay, still got 2 more spots. Let's see what Octavian's gonna give me. He's got a very nice house. An orange pumpkin. Give me something good, please. I love how they're always like, I'm not expecting to get that when I give them either fruit or produce like every single day. So I don't need a striped tank either. Honestly, most of the time I just go ahead and sell what they give me. Because usually it's not great. Sometimes they can give me good things, and you know, sometimes they give you the photos, which are nice, but really just trying to lovely. My 2 least favorites in one place. Duno Custo. This is for you. I have something for you. Another tea and towel, right? That's like the second one I've gotten. Okay. I don't even need to give him anything. Ugh. Again, I don't mind the frogs, but both of those guys are leaving, so just trying to find who's doing the recipe. Is it Lucky? It is. Cutie. As you know from my last video, he's the villager that I got villager hunting, and I love him. Love him so much. Yum. That actually does sound quite good. Also, we're gonna not discard, but just put that here. I don't know where I want it. I want it in someone's yard eventually, but it is taking up space in my inventory. Pietro, you're gonna have to move, friend. And she was somewhere back here. There she is. Cookie. Here is a gift for you. It is a pear. I hope you love it. I do like the fast food uniforms, honestly. They're ridiculously cute, and you know, oh, that's a bath towel. Where is the fast food? I don't love that color though. But let me tell you, the fast food uniform is like ridiculously cute and definitely like not realistic of fast food uniforms, because as someone who's worked multiple fast food jobs as a teen and young adult, they're not that cute. Oh, nice. It looks like we've got some fun stuff in Able Sisters. I was looking for B, so I gotta sell some stuff before I give her something. Yeah, my inventory is looking real rough. Nope, gonna give it to B. I'm really tempted to sell that gold nugget because I'm saving up for some things at the moment, but yeah, you know what? I'm gonna sell it just because I need the money right now. I have some in storage. Don't worry, I don't sell them all, but I don't have a lot of gold recipes at the moment anyway. Alrighty, B. I love her. You get a pair, like everybody else on the island. Now that. What did you just give me? Oh. That's incredible. Yeah, we're keeping that. See, occasionally you get stuff that's fun. That's funny. So in terms of, okay. Have I found my beach recipe yet? I don't think I have. So we're gonna do that real fast. It's a lot of shells. There it is. I know there's a gyroid fragment there. I just, at this point, that gyroid fragment is integral to my island because I don't know. I have a lot and they're cluttering up my islands and I haven't figured out what I want to do with them. What I've done with them previously is wherever they were, like in the ground, I just left them there, with the exception of very few. But I have a lot of them. I don't need more, so it's just gonna stay on the beach for a while. That's a pretty butterfly. Now what I'm collecting money for, I think I'm actually gonna chop down one of these money trees to get some, is I want to start making that neighborhood. Just so I can kind of have my island looking a little less cluttered. Yeah, just all the villagers are on top of each other, which I wanted to do because it would make it easier to move stuff in the future. No, I hate when I pick flowers accidentally. Yeah, so my goal, what I'm saving up for, where I have so many bells in my pockets at the moment, is I want to buy one more tower for a neighborhood that I am making. Definitely in like the very, very first stages of that at the moment, but I think I want one more tower so I can kind of conceptualize what I want it to look like. The castle towers are the ones that I'm talking about. Because I already have B kind of moved over to where I want that to be, but I don't have anyone else there, and I know it doesn't matter, but I feel like she's so lonely over there, so I kind of want to move someone else over to that space with her. And also, again, just to make that first section of my island less crowded, easier to navigate. Yeah. We're gonna move the museum today because I had to build up the place for the museum, and it's ready to go now. I wonder if you could move the museum at the same time you could move a villager house. That might be worth looking into, because maybe I could do that, both of those today. We'll see. I definitely have enough to move like a house or the museum, so. Ooh, new bug, I think. Question mark alert. Oh, I already have it, okay. Yeah, we'll swap it. I need to clear this out. So yeah, this is where like I'm going to put my museum, and I have some items there. Yeah, because right now my museum is in such a random spot because I knew that I did not want to put it. I didn't know where I wanted to put it, so I put it in a random spot so that I could make a nice spot for it. Got a lot of fossils for you, buddy. I figured. What are the odds my work of art is legit? I don't mind when they're not legit. I use them as decorations, but I think that one is legit because it didn't have a shovel. Dang it. Okay. I'm fine. Because I know I needed to get coffee, but I also need to clear my inventory out. So that's what we're gonna do. See, there's Bee's house. And obviously I want things to go up here, but just haven't gotten around to it yet. I'll keep the warrior statue. I'm sure I can find a good place for it. Okay, I still think I need more money for that frickin' castle tower. I'll go double check and see. And then while I am in the, whatever it's called, I'll go talk to Dominic. Oh. Sure. Do I need these things? No. But they're fun. I need the castle tower. It's wicked expensive. And that's what I'm saving it for. We're gonna go ahead and move the museum though, I think. I still haven't paid off my house loan either. We're just gonna ignore that. I do love the bit of asking Blathers or asking the residents if I can move their stuff, even though we know I will be able to. You got it, buddy. See if this is money rock. I always forget to do my money rocks, and you know, that might help me. It's not. That's always like the very last rock I go to. We're done. Hey! Nice, I needed that. I think I'm shaking all these trees. Ah, that's right, because I threw that down. I'll put that up so it's not a nuisance. Light switch. No. I don't need that. So we're gonna put our museum like here, and I bet I won't be able to get it even with the staircase, but we're gonna try. Let me imagine it. It's not gonna. Nope, it's not. That's. No, I need to rethink it. Well, if it's not going to perfectly it's not gonna be perfect centered with those stairs, then I'm gonna move it like off to the side, I think, and then that way, dang it, come on now. Like I'll have like a little museum cafe area next to it. Something like that. And these artworks are all discarded fake art. They still look beautiful. So yeah, over here that I guess will just be, I don't know, cafe, an outdoor exhibit, something like that. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I didn't even leave enough space for this museum. Oh, this is gonna be a big thing, isn't it? I don't like that, I don't think, because that's really close to the staircase. I might take the statue away. I need to rethink it. I think if I take the statue away and I put it like right over here, I think that will work. I think I'll like that. And if not, I can always redo it. No. I do wish the moving buildings mechanic were easier in here. Okay, let me imagine it. That's not bad. I don't think that's bad. I think that's kind of cute. Maybe move my plants forward one. I think that's a good spot though. I kind of wish this would be like one more, but whatever. Okay, so scoop that up again. And we're gonna drag this out a little bit more, but first I think I'm going to put something down back there so that there can't be like any fossils or money spots, anything back there that gets hidden. So that's gonna put down some pathway back there. Did I use that tile path? Oh, I haven't used anything yet. So we'll do this path. I did a very similar thing for the back of the island so that there wouldn't be any like hidden fossils. We'll go ahead and do the same thing to this side. Even though it won't exactly be hidden, you know, just gotta love some symmetry. I don't know, this is something I might change around later, or at the very least move the staircase. I don't know. It wasn't exactly what I had in mind, but it's close enough. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, now I put the plant there, and then I put the bush right there, and then that will look good. And then I'll do that for the other side as well. See, like I kind of had an idea, I just didn't know how to execute it. The plumerias kind of look bad at the moment because they're not blooming, but they'll look pretty whenever they bloom. I'm not sure. Is that a summer start? I'm not sure. Okay, and then we'll just place this beautiful statue over here. And you know what? Let's place the other statue over here too, because that was fake as well, wasn't it? And we'll figure out what to do with these. Oh, he does have a shovel. Oops. Yeah, we'll figure out what to do with them later, but for now, see, that's obviously just like a much better place than just right there. Good night, I'm grabbing my shovel. Diner sofa. Meh. Okay, so this is where I wanted to put just at least one more tower, and then move some houses over here. I probably won't keep this siding in this neighborhood. I just needed a place to put it. So maybe I'll be like a little more decoration here. Sorry, cherry tree. Like I said, I don't have my whole island planned out. I have like the very, very broad strokes of it, just not the entire island. Oh, I already have a dozen and a half. Picked those flowers again instead of grabbing what I wanted. Let's go ahead and put some more arched tile path. I definitely think I want, like, I think maybe 3, maybe 4. I'm thinking more like 3 houses over here. And again, I don't know exactly where I want to move the house, but I'm gonna put another, I don't know. I think I tend to just overthink my decisions because sometimes, you know, if you don't have things perfectly planned out, sometimes it looks like a little bit better, I guess, than like what you perfectly planned. Like for like the nature elements especially, a little bit of randomness is good. Or is that just me trying to tell myself not to be a perfectionist? I don't know. I think that's solid advice to have. Definitely want this statue here. I think that is such a beautiful statue, and I wish that like when I have a house I would love to have like a statue or something. That's not what I wanted to do. I just think that would be so cool. I love statues. They're so neat. It's like that whole gothic kind of medieval, I don't know, Renaissance aesthetic is very pleasing to me, but they're kind of expensive, you know, so yeah, I'll just admire them from afar and put them in my Animal Crossing island so that I can have my real estate dreams somewhere, because let's be honest, I'm not buying a house anytime soon. It's not a great time in the US to buy a house, and honestly Feels a little bleak, but I mean, I'm 27, almost 28, and I really don't think it's ever gonna be a great time for me to buy a house. My partner is getting his PhD, so he's getting paid nothing. I currently work at a place that I love, but for several reasons I might have to leave soon. I don't want to, but all of those reasons, plus the fact that I get paid barely above minimum wage, because, you know, it's one of those careers where, like teachers, you just get criminally underpaid for the work that you do. And yeah, that's kind of, isn't that just a fun little talk about the housing in America? So yeah, if I ever do own a house, it probably won't be one that's like very conducive to having like beautiful, valiant statues in the yard, but I can dream and I can have it on Animal Crossing. Okay, and so like, I just can't believe, I mean I can believe, but that tower is so much. I just want one more to just see what it looks like, so I can kind of try and center the houses that I want around there. But that's, yeah. I am so close yet so far away. Let me see what the hot item of the day is, because sometimes it's worth it, and sometimes it's just simply not. It's got anything with iron in it, it usually is. A wooden fish and a peach. Well, that's literally not gonna get me anywhere. So I still have an obscene amount of money with nowhere to use it. So let's just go to Harv's Island and see what's there. I'm not gonna do the Mayday ticket just yet. I don't think. I'm not in the mood for it. Let's see. I wanna fly. Oh, an instrument case. Cute. I'll buy it. It's not gonna help me, you know, save my money. But it's very cute, and it also goes with my outfit right now, so we'll be buying that. Does anyone ever like look really hard at the paintings? I know that one's fake, but I already have the sunflower one. So, um, actually, I don't know it's fake, but I know she's holding an ermine in that, um, in like the actual painting, and it looks like that little animal has a duck bill. So I'm gonna guess it's fake. And yeah. Oh, we're absolutely going with the rainbow ones. No question about it. And the way that I just throw all of that in storage. One day I'll get around to my house. Very last thing, I think I'm gonna go check to see if there's anyone that I want to build a house for on Happy Home Paradise. I want to go to work. I don't. I never want to go to work. Freya! We might be building for this house today. I love the DIYs on this island. She was one of my first villagers on my first island. Fun fact. I do love Freya. That's not the most fun request for me. So let's kind of go see what other villages there are. Please don't judge me for the name of this establishment. I thought it was very funny. It doesn't look like there's anyone here that I want, so we're gonna leave. Listen, it was a blast to decorate. It was a blast to make. I never find any good villagers in there. And I can also collect another recipe here. Ooh. Bruce's Bakery. Bruce is my dog's name. So what is this frog? No. No. That, no. A little octopus kitchen. What you up to? Give me a good recipe. I don't think I do. my way, please. Okay, honestly, I do love Freya, but I just do not want to make a kitchen right now. That doesn't sound fun. But I do like Freya. She's a cutie. She's on the beach, so she'll be around for a while. It's also a kitchen. I have done alleys before. I'm trying to leave more space between doing it again because I don't want to copy what I did the last time. No, but the way I don't feel like doing a kitchen today, so we're just gonna take a little pick because that's one of the things that I needed. Open your mat. Oh. To get some Nook miles, and I think we're gonna call it a day. Hopefully, I'm sorry if this wasn't very exciting, just kind of doing some daily tasks, and there's no one here that I want to decorate a house for, and yeah, it is what it is. But it was very calming getting to just kind of relax and hang out. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely planning on making more cozy gaming content. I'm gonna try and do at least one video every week, but if you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel for more reading and cozy gaming content, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!